Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you already subscribed to me, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, hi, my name is Melissa. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I filmed this look right here. I wanted to do something fun, something dark for, anti-Valentine's Day, for the people who don't celebrate it, for people who got their heart broken, for people who are single and can't share that day with somebody. I just wanted to do something like this for that. So if you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. Hey guys, so jumping right into this video, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Cashmere. I'm going to pack that on my lid, blending it out with a brush as well as the Beauty Blender. This shade is really light, but I like to use it as a base. It kind of pops the color out a little bit better, I guess. So I went a little bit closer in this video than my last because my lighting is terrible, but I wanted you guys to see the shades a little bit better and kind of see what I'm doing. My eyes are really swollen in this. I just been an emotional wreck, but we won't get into that. So yeah, also my face has broken out so bad. So if you guys have any recommendations on any skincare routines, maybe a different moisturizer, because my face also has been really dry, please leave all that recommendations down below. I would love to try it. So taking the James Charles Morphe mini palette, I went in with the shade Canvas, and I'm just packing that on my lid as my base. Next, I'm going to take that Punch Me shade, and I'm going to pack that on my outer crease. Next, I'm going to dip into that shade Mary, and I'm going to pack that on my outer crease as well, using windshield wiper motions from the outer inwards. Next, I'm going to dip into Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette, and I'm going to take that shade Passion, and I'm going to pack that on my outer crease as well, just to deepen up and give me more of that red vibe, even though it kind of looks orangey. It's like a rusty color, but for some reason it looks like an orangey brownish. I don't know if you could really see the color, but it's red. Next, I go back into the mini palette and take that shade Spooky and pack it all over my lid. Now, this shade was a little difficult for me to blend out, and you'll see it where it kind of looks like it separates from it, but trust me, it's the bad lighting and the camera, but have patience with this because black is pretty hard to blend out. You just got to work with it and keep going back and blending it in, and that's pretty much what I did. Next, I dip into the Vice palette from Urban Decay, and I took that shade Deadbeat, and I packed that on my lid as well. I just wanted to give it a little bit of that sparkle, I guess you can say. And then I took the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette, and I went in with the shade Side to Side to give it more of that chunky glitter. And then I went in and I took the Morphe Santa Monica eyelashes, and I did one of those. And here I go being ridiculous and wanting to try one of those things where boop, I disappear and turn into something else. Didn't really work much, but I went off camera and I just put my face because I wanted to focus this video on just my eyes. So taking that shade Mary from the mini palette, I just packed that on my lower lash line. Then I took that shade Beam from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I just packed that on my inner corner as well as my brow bone. Alright guys, and that completes our anti-Valentine Day look. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm not anti anything, but things are a little different this year. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.